Hey guys, today we are here to talk about Business Analyst Day 2 training focusing on requirement engineering fundamentals. So let's start. What are requirements? Definition. Requirements are statements that describe what the system, product, or process must do. They represent the need, expectations, or constraints of a stakeholder. What are the types of requirement with examples? Business requirement, for which we have business requirement documents. So this is high level goals of organization. For example, increase customer retention by 20% within the next year. Stakeholder requirements, need of specific stakeholders or groups. So what are the needs of the stakeholders who are asking you to build something? For example, sales team needs a mobile friendly CRM tool to update leads on the go. Third, functional requirement, for which we have functional requirement document. It describes what the system should do. For example, the system must allow users to reset their password via email over one-time password. Non-functional requirement, quality expectations or constraint. Example, performance, page must load within 2 seconds. Security, system supports multifunctional authentication. And the third, usability, app should be usable by a technical user. So now talking about characteristic of a good requirement, which is also called SMART. Specific, so S for specific, clearly defined requirements. M for measurable, quantifiable. So like when you create something, you can quantify that. Achievable, like you are creating a user story which is feasible to produce, or a product which is feasible to produce. Relevant, supports business goals or the roadmap. Time bound, has a timeline. So it has a specific timeline that it should be completed by this particular time. So for example, reduce call center average waiting time from 8 minutes to 3 minutes within 6 months. Requirement elicitation techniques. So what are the requirement elicitation techniques you will use to gather the requirements? Interview, one-on-one group discussion. For example, what challenges do you face with the current processes? So when you are doing the requirement elicitation, you will sit with the stakeholders and you will ask these kind of questions in a one-on-one group discussion. Like what challenges do you face with the current process? What are the things you don't like in this current product and you want me to change or produce? What must the new system do for you? We can also have workshops. So workshops are collaborative sessions with multiple stakeholders. Example, conducting a full day business requirement document workshop with IT plus business team. Brainstorming, generating ideas without judgment. So for example, brainstorming features for a new employee onboarding portal. So the stakeholders would like to have a new employee onboarding portal, and now we are brainstorming with the stakeholders what kind of things they would like to have in that. Observation and job shadowing. BA watches end user perform task. Example, sitting with a bank teller to observe how the customer account creation works today. So they are job shadowing just to learn how the process works. Survey questionnaires. Useful when you need response from many users. Example, sending a Google form asking employees what they want to be improved. The last is documentation analysis. So reviewing existing material. For example, current SOPs, user manuals, and legacy system screenshots. So you're reviewing the current documentation to understand, what are the pain points. So what are the things we should work on changing or improving. Requirement documentations. The first is business requirement document, which is called the BRD. It captures business objective and high level requirements. For example, the first will be customers are unable to track orders in real time. The second example will be provide a web and mobile interface for order tracking. The second is functional requirement specification or FRD. Detailed system behavior and features. Example, System must send SMS and email notification after order dispatch. Another example will be system must display real-time GPS location of a delivery agent. So think about when you order Domino's pizza, you have a tracker. So something like that. And so if you have a Domino's pizza order, if you have Amazon order, then you can track where your order is. System requirement specification. This combines functional and non-functional requirement for developers, and that includes use cases, data flow diagrams. So you create a flow diagram of how the data will flow, API integrations. You will talk to the stakeholder or you will talk to the architect to understand the API integration. There will be some constraint as well. For example, system should integrate with Google Maps API for location tracking. Requirement management, version control, tracking changes to the requirement. So, when you're working on a requirement document, either function or business requirement document or any kind of document, it's always helpful to track the changes. Okay. So tracking changes to the requirement. BRD version 1.0 is initial requirement. BRD version 1.1 is added chat support feature. Traceability, connecting requirements to design, development, test cases, deployment. So the example will be Jira or Azure DevOps using requirements IDs like REC-1201. So when you will work in the IT industry, you will see traceability metrics like these. Change management, ensuring changes go through a formal approval process. For example, change request like CR-005. So this means this is the change requirement number 5, add support for UPI payments to the e-commerce checkout. Continued. Requirement prioritization. Common frameworks are Moscow, must, should, could, want. So all these, BRD, FRD, SRS, and, Moscow, I have created other videos as well on my channel and you can check them. So in this case, requirement is password reset. So this is must have, like we need this one. The reason is essential user function. Dark mode, when you go on to the page, the mode changes from dark to white. Could have, it's a low business value. Thank you so much. Your support means a world to me. Please do subscribe if you have not done. Please do watch other videos on my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye.